Blessed and happy Saturday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear good people of God, faithful followers of the Daily Gospel Reflection with Father Jack, my dear kababayans. Today is July 5, 2025, and today is Saturday within the 13th week in Ordinary Time, Year C. Today's Gospel is from the beautiful and the wonderful account of the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 9, verses 14 to 17. There was a time in my journey when I tried so hard to fit in or to fit into what others expected of a holy person. Personally, I fasted, I followed the rules, I tried to be enough, I tried to be good. But you know what? Deep inside, I was tired, spiritually tired. And I began to ask the same question John disciples asks in today's gospel. Why do we have to do all these things? And then I encountered Jesus in a deeper way, not in the rigidity of my daily routines, but in the freedom of His presence. Like new wine, His love poured into parts of me that had long dried up. And I realized He was not asking for performance. He was asking for my heart. Jesus' words about new wine skin and new wine hit me personally in today's gospel. I was trying to pour His grace into the old wineskin of guilt, old wineskin of pressures and perfectionism. No wonder I kept bursting. But Jesus gently reminded me, I am not the same as I once was. Because His love changed me. He wanted to give me something new. But I had to be willing and to let go of the old wineskins, old behavior, old Father Jack, old wounds, old fears, the old ways of measuring my worth. You know what? That was very hard. That was very difficult. But slowly, I began to surrender. I began to offer what old in me. And the more I let go, the more joy I found. Now, I understand Jesus is not just the bridegroom of the church. He is the bridegroom of my soul. His presence is not a burden to carry, but a wonderful celebration to embrace. Life with Him is not meant to be dry or rigid. It is meant to overflow with grace, with mercy, with laughters, even in tears. And He is constantly making things new in me. And though I am still learning, still growing, I now welcome each day with a heart stretched open like a new wineskin, ready to be filled again. Ready to be filled again by the one who turns the ordinary into joy. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family. Make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.